Hi students, in the previous class we discussed about arithmetic progression and some introduction was given earlier. What did I tell you about arithmetic progression? The general form of arithmetic progression is the general form. What did I tell you? General form a comma a plus d comma a plus 2d so on a plus n minus 1 into d. This is called the general form of an arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression means one fixed term is added to the previous term to get the next term. Remember that point. That added number is called common difference. Here a is called first term, a is called first term and d is called common difference. What do you call that? D? Common difference. I told you how to find common difference. T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2 or T4 minus T3. In an AP, the common difference is same, equal. The common difference is always equal. Remember that. Okay. So what do you call this term? That nth term a plus n minus 1 into d is called nth term or general term or last term. It is denoted by L. Okay, remember that. So by using this nth term, we can find our desired terms. For example, you look at that progression. One problem is given there. Look at that problem. What is that problem? Find the 20th term of the sequence. First term is given, second term is given, third term is given, fourth term is given, so on. Like that, if you go on writing that progression, what would be the 20th term? How to find by using formula? I will tell you. See, given AP. What is given AP? Given AP is 9, 5, 1, 1 minus 3, so on. Here what is the first term? First term A is equal to 9. Common difference D is equal to, what is the formula? T2 minus T1. Common difference is equal in AP, don't forget that. Second term minus first term. What is the second term here? 5 minus 9. How much? Minus 4. Now you write formula here. What is the formula to find the nth term of an AP? Let A be the first term. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference. D be the common difference. Then nth term of an AP Tn equal to, what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into d. I just told you what is the formula to find nth term of an AP? A plus n minus 1 into d. Now, which term I like to find there? 20th term. So, 20th term of an AP T20. So, instead of n we should write 20, right? A plus, instead of n if I write 20 minus 1. 19t. Okay, what is A here? A 9 value, 19 into d value how much? Minus 4. So 9, 4 9s are 36, 4 1s are 4 plus 3 7. So 76 minus 9, 67. Which is 67? Minus 67, right? Therefore, 20th term of given AP is how much? Minus 67. So if you go on write that progression, so 20th term will be minus 67. Suppose if I want to find 50th term, A plus 49D, just reduce by 1. So if I want 75th term, A plus 74D, reduce 1 and A value, D value should be substituted. Okay? Let us see one more problem. Find the 30th term of the sequence. Second problem. Find 30th term of the sequence. 1/2, 1, 3/2, so on. Okay, that is given AP. So what is given AP here? 1/2, 1, 3/2, so on. What is the first term here? 1/2. That is AP only now. 1 minus 1/2 will be 1/2. 3/2 minus 1, 1/2. So common difference is equal. So it forms an AP. Since the common difference is equal, it forms an AP. So A value 1/2, D value how much? 1 minus 1/2. So 1/2. So formula is common everywhere. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference. Then nth term of an AP is A plus n minus 1 into D. Now which term I want to find here? 30th term. 30th term I want to find. So how do you find 30th term? So 30th term of an AP equal to A plus, instead of n we write 30. 30 minus 1 how much? 29D. I told you if I want to find 30th term, reduce by 1. So A plus 29D. What is the A value here? 1/2 plus 29 into D value, also 1/2. 1/2 plus 29/2. 29 plus 1, 30/2 means 15. Therefore, what is the 30th term of given AP? T30 is equal to 15. That is the end of solution. Okay. So by using this we can find our desired term. Remember this. So one more question. Find the 10th term of the find 10th term of 10th term from the end of the AP. From the end of the AP. From the end of the AP. 4, 9, 14. 4, 9, 14, so on. 254. Look at this. How to find the 10th term from the end of AP? From that side we should find. From this side 10th term means everybody can do it. A plus 9D, right? 10th term from this side means A plus 9D. But they are asking from that side. So what is given AP here? Given AP is 4, 9, 4, 14, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 5. So on 254. Now, what is the common difference here? 5, no? 9 minus 4, 5. 14 minus 9, 5. Now, I will write the given AP in reverse order. Writing, because I want from that side, right? Writing given AP in reverse order. We get, I will write in reverse order. So what will you get? First, last term becomes first term. Now common difference from this side 5, no? From that side if I write, we have to reduce 5. Here from this side added 5, from that side we have to subtract 5. 254 minus 5, 249 minus 5, so on. 14, 9, 4. Is that clear? So what will you get here? 254, 249, 244, so on. 14, 9, 4. Okay, 5 is reduced. You see once, 5 is reduced. Now easily we can find first term is what? 254. What is common difference? Common difference D equal to minus 5. From this side 5, no? From that side minus 5. Now I want which term? 10th term. T10 equal to, what did I tell you? A plus 9D. Reduce 1. Formula is what? A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is A here? 254 plus 9 into minus 5. 254 minus 9 5s are 45. So 254 minus 45. How much? 902. 209. So from that side, what is the 10th term? 209. Therefore, 10th term from the end of AP is 209. So, if you don't want to do this procedure, I will tell you shortcut. See, one shortcut, direct formula is there to find, that is L minus of n minus 1 into D formula. Whichever term we want to find here, n value 10. So last term, this is L. Last term we should take that 254 minus n means which term we want there? 10th term. So 10 minus 1 into D means what? D value 5. So 254 minus 45. How much? 209. So by using this formula, we can get directly answer. Okay? What is the 10th term from the end of AP? 209. That is the end of solution. Thank you. We will see some more problems in the next class.